All right, everybody. So this is our brand new 2021 Grand Design Reflection 150 series. It's the 278 BH model. So we're going to take a quick look around, show you all the ins and outs. And so let's see what we can find. All right, let's go. This is the outside tour. I want to show you all the things of storage, electrical, the pin box, the Nautilus system, show you all the things, the reasons why we love it so much. So let's take a quick look around. We'll start right here at the door. One of the first things that we love about this thing is the actual stairs. So those stairs actually flip up. The reason we like that is because of the old version we had, or the old camper we had, it was the stairs that went in the door. And it used to get all the dirt in there. And then also too, you'd pull up to a site and it would be really hard to pull those stairs out. And so we love the fact that we can just pull up, pull these two stairs down, and we're done. The second thing we love about this is that underneath here, we actually have the More Ride CRE 3000. So that's the suspension piece that allows I really don't know what it does. I just know that I like it because it allows it for a little bit smoother ride. Another thing that we like about over here is we've got the stabilizers in the back. So these stabilizers are part of the automatic stabilization system. And so literally just a single push of the button, these two back stabilizers come down. Let's look at some of the storage in the back that we have. So here is actually the outdoor grill or outdoor kitchen area. We're actually just using it for storage at the moment. This actually comes equipped with a refrigerator, but we took the refrigerator out. What we plan on doing is putting in our griddle, so we have a Blackstone. So we're gonna try to figure out a way to convert this. But right now it does come with this cooktop right here, 2-burner. Super nice, super handy, but we've actually never used it so far. It also has a port down here for propane. So if you ever needed to hook up propane, you could. It's pretty straightforward. Just a little quick connect down here as well. So that's kind of convenient. I also like the fact that on these storage, they have the magnets. And so you can just push them up, lock them in place, be done. Also too, these doors are really thick and sturdy. I really like that as well. They close really tight, so really good construction. I like those a lot. So on the back side here, we've also got storage. And right now we're literally coming back from a trip, so we have our gray water caddy, we've got a table back here, we've got a couple bins. We haven't organized this thing out at all, but we really like this space just because it's so big. So you can see width-wise, it's probably around 5 feet in depth. Don't know the exact dimensions, but I really like this space just because, again, a lot of storage, a lot of opportunities to put stuff back here. This rig is 50 amp. It comes with this massive 50 amp cable, just like any other 50 amp service. So I'm trying to figure out, I currently put this cable back here, but I don't have a good way of storing it, and so it's a workout. We've got the gas and electric water heater, so that's pretty handy as well. So if we're boondocking, we can use gas. Most of the time we just use electric. Up here is the Nautilus system. So right in there, you can actually see the Nautilus system. That system gives us opportunity for really 2 to 3 different configurations when we're camping. So dry docking, city water, standard camping, things like that. But it also gives the opportunity to winterize it, sanitize it. It gives us a power fill option. And so that power fill option just allows it to fill the tanks, the holding tanks a little quicker. Also up here, we've got the Lippert. This is the auto leveling system. So you can see right down here, there's actually a panel. So that actually can allow for administration of the jacks from right here. Also too, this comes with the tire link. So that's the tire pressure monitoring system. I haven't hooked that up yet, but whenever I do, I've got to remove that before I connect everything up. All right. Propane tanks. We've got a left and a right propane. Nothing too fancy. There's a switch right here that allows me to, go left, right. I can use whichever tank I prefer to use. It should automatically sense it, but still trying to figure out if that's true or not. So if you know how to work that, let me know, because I need to know. So this is probably the biggest difference between what we were used to and what we're doing now, is that we used to have a travel trailer. This is obviously a fifth wheel, and so we had to put a hitch in the back of my truck, my F-250. And so this is the first time I've ever had to deal with a pin box. But this one is the turning point pin box from Lippert. So basically what that means is up here there are some bolts that I can remove. And so if I wanted to move the actual point of turning from the pin to back here on the box, I can do that. I haven't done that yet. But what that does is it gives me a couple extra, you know, almost 2 feet to where actually when I'm turning, instead of it turning on the pin box itself, it actually turns on that box back there. So maybe I'll do that. So far I haven't had a need for doing that, but I might do it in the future. So if I do, maybe we'll make a video of that. Maybe we won't, I don't know. Underneath, we've got the standard man cave under here. So this just gives me a place to just store all of my junk. Right now we just got the old wood and stuff that we moved from our old trailer. And so we've got to clean all this stuff out. Also too, this is where the battery is. I'm planning on replacing that battery with probably some dual battery systems, or maybe some lithium batteries. I don't know yet, but I know that single battery is not cutting it. And so we will do something different there as well. Lastly, the other side of the pass-through, super handy. So on the other side of this is the Nautilus system. So it goes all the way through. You can see that there is a ton of space in there. Right now we've just thrown everything in there. One of the things that we were thinking about doing was we don't have solar hooked up yet in this rig, and so I'm thinking maybe I'll put my solar panel there. And the reason I say that is because I'm not one of those people who wants to put the solar on top of my rig yet. I'm the type of person who wants to just follow the sun, and so I'd rather just pull my panel out, put it wherever the sun is, and then use it that way. And so I need to build something probably right here to hold the solar panel, because right now the solar panel is in a super awkward place. It's actually inside on the top bunk. You might see that later. And so this is the outside space. We really like it. It has a ton of storage in comparison to where we had. Again, the outdoor kitchen is really nice. The pass-through is really nice. And then also to the location of the propane tanks, because on a travel trailer like most, it was actually on the trailer tongue. And so these are actually hidden away. So that's the outside. So from here, I say we go take a look on the inside. And so let's go inside. What's up?
I am just trying to figure out where to put everything in our new rig. I'm just going to take you around and show you a little bit of the features. We are actually in the main living space right now, and over here we've got kind of the entertainment zone, I like to call it, because it's got our TV, it's got storage on both sides of the TV that you can use, and then all kinds of drawers and everything for underneath. Loads of counter space, which everyone always wants. It's great for prepping if you're doing big meals or small meals, or maybe you just need a place to put stuff. You can put it on top of this counter. So we love as much counter space as possible. Then we've got more storage, our microwave, our oven. It's got great space. You know, in the oven, it's just like any other RV oven. And then it has more storage underneath, which is absolutely amazing. I love to use nesting things. And so I love having my nesting bowls and then all of my nesting pots and pans in here as well. So now we're on to like the sink space underneath, more storage. We have tons of storage back here, and the great thing about this is that it actually goes all the way back behind. So it's a corner spot, so I absolutely love that. More storage here. There's tons of storage underneath the sink, which is not very organized right now, but it actually goes all the way back to the wall too, which is amazing. One of my favorite things is that we have this, which actually folds down. So while you're traveling, it folds down, but then it comes back up and it's extra counter space. I love it for when I'm doing the dishes. That's my favorite thing about that. Then on the other side, this is the slide side, and we have our amazing fridge and freezer that's in here. It runs off gas and electric. So just however you're camping, if you're dry camping or if you have power, then you can use it for both. And then the amazing U dinette. We absolutely love the extra space of the U dinette for seating people, because one of the things that we do, even though there's 3 of us, we love camping with friends, camping with family. And if it's raining outside and we want to eat inside, then we have like a lot of space for people to eat around the table. And it also makes into a good sized bed if you want to use the table as a bed. Also, what makes into a bed is the sofa. So this is actually a really comfortable sofa. We love it, and it folds out, makes into a bed, and then it also has a lot of storage up above that we use for like things that we might need for outside, and then games, and then definitely some supplies that our daughter needs. So this living space, when you pull the slide out, is absolutely wonderful for us. It just gives us all of the things that we need. Okay, so you may have noticed that there is a little door over here next to the refrigerator. So we're just gonna go peek inside and see what's in the door.
Hi.
Well, we wanted to come see your space, so.
How dare you? You didn't even ask me.
I didn't ask you, but can you give us a little tour of your area here, the bunkhouse, your room, if you will?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Show us all the cool things about your room.
I don't know. Is that I have a bed.
You do have a bed.
Next we have this. It's a little, I don't know, like a little mini wardrobe or something. I got my clothes, my hangers, more drawers, even more. There's 2 up here and then 1 down here. And then my bedroom has pillows and a blanket, of course. A little blue basket to put my my books in, because I am a bookworm. I love to read.
Anything else?
Not that I know of.
Okay.
Besides a door. Okay, goodbye.
All right, so now let's transition into the bathroom and the primary bedroom, kind of upstairs, if you will. So we do have some really nice steps here, so we really like these because we've seen some rigs that have steps that aren't as sturdy, but Grand Design does a great job of making really sturdy steps. So we're gonna go up here. Also too, we really like these pocket doors, so kind of a space saver as well. But inside the bathroom here, so one of the things we love about this bathroom specifically is that there's so much room. And so we didn't have a whole lot of room in our old rig. It was the standard tub with like the toilet. It was just really awkward and kind of hard to move around in there. And so in this one, we actually have a stand-up shower. We have a lavatory here, single sink, tons of storage underneath the sink. We actually have 2 above head storage. So we have 1 above the toilet, 1 above the sink here, and so we really like that as well because we didn't have those in the old rig. And then actually we're going to take a shot of the shower that we have here. I'm not sure what the size is, but there's plenty of space in that shower for a single person to kind of move around. You can swim around in there all day long. It's awesome. So this is our shower. Let's go take a look at the bedroom here. So in the primary bedroom, we've also got another pocket door, so this thing slides out to close. We've also got a ton of storage. So the first storage we've got is over here in this wardrobe. Actually a 2-door wardrobe system, so you can hang up everything you want. There's actually 4 drawers underneath here. Deep drawers, really nice construction. More storage around the bed. So actually there's nightside. Is it nightside? Bedside? Bedside is right here. And so you've got a little storage underneath, place to put your iPhone if you want to. You've got storage above it. You've got storage that runs the length of the bed. There's also this handy shelf up there that you can put your phone if you're charging it at night or whatever you want to do. So both sides have really nice storage features. The bed itself is actually a it's actually a queen. So it's not that RV queen, it's not an RV full, it's not the weird shape. It's a residential queen bed, and so we really like that. Another great thing about this is that there's storage underneath here. There's dirty clothes under there right now. There's a vacuum cleaner, some bags. Again, these are all things that we don't use often, or that stink and we don't want to smell it, so we just cover it up. All right, so we want to go into the final piece here, which is our control center. So behind this door is everything that we can control the rig with. So you can obviously push your slide out from here, push your awning out from here. You've got your ceiling lights, your tank heaters. This one actually comes with tank heaters. Don't know that we'll need them in Texas, but you never know. 2021 did happen. Water pump, gas and electric, porch light, step light, awning lights, everything that you need to control the rig, you control it from here. Oh, what's this button do? We got an awning. Is it hitting a tree? Oh, good. That's also a feature of this camper. It has an awning. Boom. Worth it. I'm going to sit here and hold this button until it comes all the way out. Look at that.
Not bad.
Do you like being shady?
Yeah.
You would.